Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into Wise account online on our computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Wise account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in the address wise.com and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Wise. Now in order to log into your account, you can see at the top right corner of the screen there is the login button available for us over here, just beside the register. Click on that login button, and over here guys you'll be required to enter the email address of your account, and after that enter your password which you had registered on Wise at the time of creating your account. Or if you want to log into your Wise account with your Google, Facebook or your Apple accounts, you can click on any of these buttons and a login page to either Google, Facebook or Apple will open, and if you log into your restricted accounts you'll be logged into Wise with those accounts, authenticated to those accounts. And with that being said guys, after entering your email address and your password, simply click on the login button over here, and then you'll be signed into your Wise account online on your computer. And there guys, this is how to log into your Wise account on your PC. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.